773. And today, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be putting on a sticker that goes on my window. I am going to be installing it over there in that back right behind the passenger seat. Yeah, man, I'm pretty sure y'all seen these stickers around or on people's cars before. They either had like their Instagrams or their YouTube channels. And yeah, man, I got my YouTube channel, so that's the one I actually ordered. It was only like 15 bucks. I'll show y'all right now. Got it right here. So yeah, this is how it looks right here. A-Money J773. And here, let me step outside real quick. Show y'all where I'm gonna put it. So yeah, this is it. I only paid like 15 bucks for it. Not too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my window up and put it on right there. I could have ordered it red, but I didn't really want it red. I wanted it white to blend in with my tint, because my tint's black, you know, so black and white, I feel like it'll pop out more.
What?
But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all down real quick like I did last video. I don't know if y'all seen that. If you haven't already, tune in. I installed some LED lights that went on my bottom of my door, on the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up right now. So right now, we're just gonna clean the window real quick with some water and then dry it off. I'll place it right here. So I'll make sure it's nice and clean right here. Dry it off. So right here, we're just gonna peel this. This is very sticky, so yeah, it's a bad day to do this. It's pretty windy out. But yeah, check it out. A-Money J773. Damn, I almost forgot something. I forgot to roll up my window. So yeah, y'all, I had to roll up my window. I had to clean it again. And yeah, I got it installed. Now I'm just, you know, making sure it's on right. But it looks decent so far. So I'm trying to get every corner. Make sure it's stuck on right, because once it peels off, ain't no going back. So trying to get all these bubbles in real nice. I'm gonna see if I got something right now to flatten this out a little more. I should have like a little tool. See if I got one in the car real quick. Close this trunk. What I got right here. I got this little tool. Think this will work? Hope so. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description. That way, if y'all interested, whatever, you customize anything, you can put your logo, put your YouTube, Instagram, like I said earlier. Yeah, I'm just kind of going over these numbers and letters. Go ahead and give it one more little push, and then I'm going to peel it off. Type in the comment section if you think this is pretty even. I don't know, it looks even to me, but Go ahead and looks pretty good. I don't know. We'll find out when we take it off. I'm just gonna do one letter at a time because I don't want no mistakes going on. Yeah, y'all seen that bug, man. There's hella bugs out here. Ooh, y'all seen that? Yeah, we gotta go back and stick that on just a little more, cause I'm gonna try and go for the bottom this time. Yeah, cause we just want it on. Once we get it on, we're good, you know. Go real slow with this. I was gonna hire somebody to actually do this for me because I don't want to mess up. But you know, everybody gotta learn, so yeah, man, it's coming out real nice. If you haven't already, man, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so that way y'all could see what videos I'm gonna be uploading this summer. Yeah, man. Woo, that came out real nice. Check it out, man. What do y'all think? It's even or what? Looks decent. Oh, I actually could have went up a little more on this side, but it's alright. It is what it is, man. Saying I ain't professional, but overall, that vinyl was decent. It only cost me 15 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description. Show y'all one more time. A-Money J773. Yeah, I'll show y'all how it's from the side, how it looks. Actually, I might get my thumbnail like this. Looks clean. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Appreciate everybody that watched this video all the way through. We're only going up from here, man. Gonna flip this. If you haven't already watched my my last video, it was these LED installation lights on the side. Go ahead and watch that. Run that video up, man, because I'm on the road to 1K right now. And I appreciate everybody that, you know, has already subbed to my channel. You know, we just going up from here. I'm trying to get y'all more content. I'm trying to record like at least 2 times a day, but on average, you know, because I'm trying to drop at least 4 times a week, but you know, that's a lot of work too. A lot of editing going on and all that. But yeah, man, your boy A-Money J773 is out. Appreciate everybody that tuned in. Your boy's gone. Peace.